way to have separation and a little bit of a less distraction for kids, then these dividers are great. So you get a set of 2 and they come great in the packaging. Everything is neat and tidy and they are so easy to put together. You can use them either horizontally or you can also make them vertical. So let's put it together and then see what these are like. So you get 2 in each package. You will need 4 poles. You are going to feed the poles through the loops on the short and the long sides. And then you have these connectors. They're going to connect everything together. So let's put this together quickly. I'll speed it up so I don't bore you. And then we'll look at what they are like in both directions. So you just feed the PVC pipes through. Those are just sturdy plastic. And you do all 4 and then you put the connectors on and snap the legs on. This could not be easier. Now that I have it together, you get the legs and all you're going to do is just pop them on. These are so nice and light, but yet they are sturdy with this nice base. So you can easily move these. The material is really nice. You can wipe it clean. These are stretchy, making them really easy to take on and off for storage. Here's a close-up of the ends and of the legs. You can see the legs go back and forth here if you want a little more stability, and they pop off. If you want to change the configuration, you pop off the legs. And then you flip the divider and put the legs on the other side. They also come with these connectors. If you would prefer to connect them together. And again, you just pop them on. And there you go. This is such a great solution. I love that you get this 2-pack, so easy to assemble, sturdy, but I love that they're super lightweight. Like if these fall over, no one is going to get hurt. And you can buy more sets and put them all together, and then it's absolutely amazing. And you are creating your own little like study nooks and all the things. This is great so that you can optimize learning and cut down on the distractions. Loving these. Check out the link.